Make a great choice today with the 2014 4Runner. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 4.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, trip computer, tinted glass, cargo net, leather seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass, low tire pressure warning. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.